All right, today, that's right. Thank you for tuning in with Dining with Zion. And guess what? Y'all, I was so excited. Oh my God, I am up to 200 subscribers. Lord Jesus Christ. I ain't got nobody to thank but the Most High and y'all. But you know what? I'm saying thank you so much for keeping this channel rolling. So today I'm gonna do a little something special in this mukbang, but we're gonna talk about that a little later. First, before I get all up in this plate and fall head first, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all what I'm about to eat and what I'm about to talk about. So stay tuned. All right. Y'all got me hyped. Y'all got me super excited right now. Okay. Look, y'all about to get me. Y'all about to get me started. Okay. So today what we got is we got some ranch over here. Can y'all see this? I'm gonna pull it a little closer, but I got a little cup on the side. Y'all know about this. All right. So I got me some ranch. I got me some. I'm keeping it a little easy today. So I got me some chicken wings, some buffalo chicken wings from Pizza Hut. I got me some pizza right here. And y'all, I got this salad back here that is so good. Okay, let me tell you what I got in it. Let me tell you. I got some croutons. I got some turkey bacon bits. If y'all don't know about these, let me show you. Oh, yes, that's right. And then I also got me some pepperoncinis, some feta cheese, and some onions, and some olives, all kinds of deliciousness. That's right. So, and what I got this cup for is, we're going to be doing a little bit something different. I am going to be making some dressing. That's right. Me, making this dressing. It's going to be some kind of deliciousness. So before we get into that, let's go ahead and talk about that topic, and let's throw this hair back right quick. Because you already know what time it is. Y'all already know. All right. So the dressing that we actually going to be making is a dressing that I have seen several times, and I kind of made it, and I had critiqued it, of course, to my liking. So definitely critique this to your liking as well too. And I got all the little goodies so I can show you how to make this little dressing right quick. So we gonna scoop this to the side. Oh, we gonna bring back that plate, yes. But today we gonna also be talking about the comments that I've been getting, the questions as well too, of how to grow your channel, what apps to use as far as editing as well too. So first things first, let's get this dressing, baby. So what y'all gonna need is, let's go ahead and start off with the base. So y'all gonna need some seasonings, because if y'all ain't seasoning, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Y'all needs to put some seasonings in it. Don't be scared. Okay, so we gonna do some little Himalayan salt. Y'all see that right quick? Y'all see that? Okay. So I already got some Himalayan salt. Just a little pinch, y'all. Go ahead and throw it in the cup. All right, and then we got some pepper, black pepper. Okay, just a little pinch. We're going to throw that in there too. All right. And then we got some minced garlic. I should be showing y'all this. I got them in the little cups, so I got, but I got some minced garlic. Put a little juice in there too. A little juice. You see that little juice? Oh, let me get the camera right. Okay. Y'all see that little juice? All right. Throw that in there. Throw it all up in there. That's about like a tablespoon. Okay. And then what we got here is we got some Dijon mustard. That's right, some Dijon mustard. We're gonna work that out. Some Dijon mustard. We just gonna put a little bit. Okay. That's right. A little Dijon mustard in your life. We're gonna be making like a what is that? A little some kind of deliciousness dressing. All right, now what you're gonna add is you're gonna add some onion powder. You know, you're gonna put a little bit of onion powder in there, okay? I would say a good tablespoon or so, all right? All right, so next thing's next. We're gonna add some garlic powder. Y'all, we're gonna add some garlic powder, okay? We're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. I would say, now these are all to y'all likings, you know, but I would say a little pinch or a little tablespoon, okay? And then what we're gonna do is, for y'all that is keto, that's right, this dressing right here is some keto, okay? So y'all gonna add a little bit of monk sugar, and I'm gonna show y'all what that look like, okay? Let me show y'all. Y'all can see that? Okay, making sure I don't cut it off. Okay, so that's monk sugar right there. Y'all can pick that up at Walmart. All right, so I'm just gonna add just a little bit. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some white balsamic vinegar. Let me show y'all what that look like. All right, y'all see that? Let me give y'all a good look. Look at that bottle. That's so pretty. All right, hope y'all see that. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of this. Okay. All right. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little, that's right, because I like a little spice in my life. So we're gonna add some crushed peppers right quick. I know. Add that in there. Add that in there. I know I'm just adding so much stuff, but this dress is so good. So good. Add as much crushed peppers as you like. Because guess what? At the end of the day, it's your dressing. You do you. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some little bit of Parmesan cheese in that. Okay? So, I done got myself now. Add a little Parmesan cheese because we like that little nice cheesy flavor. Might as well go ahead and add it on my pizza too, right? Okay. And we're going to add a little bit onto the salad too. Let me scoop that over. That's right. You're getting it in. You don't know, you're gonna know. All right. And now I got some light olive oil. Okay. Some light olive oil. Now, the trick and the tip to this of making any good dressing is that you gotta stir it in. Okay? Slowly. Not fast, but slowly. So I'm gonna show y'all right quick. So go ahead and stir everything together. And then as y'all can see, I'm stirring it slowly in there. Pouring it slowly in there. Y'all, this dressing gonna come out bomb. Now, you don't want to add too much, but you don't want to add too little, okay? All right. Go ahead and keep stirring. And when y'all done, that's it. I'm about to show y'all what this dressing look like. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Now we gonna move this plate on over. All right. Yes, can y'all see my food? Y'all see my food all right? Okay. So, give it a little quick stir again. So good. It's so good. All right, so. Yes, I love my dressings. All right, so now that we done got the dressing out the way, y'all already know what time it is. I got my cup. I got me a little fancy cup this time. It ain't that fancy, but I got me a little soda too. You know this. Yes. That's right. Okay, so let's get to talking. Let me pull my cup right back right quick. Y'all can see my plate? Okay. And let me know if y'all want me to go live. You know, I've been wanting to go live and stuff. I got me a little fancy top. Okay, so these are my tips to growing your channel. First tip, be yourself. Okay? Be yourself. That's what makes you unique. That's what makes you stand out in front of anybody else. Be yourself. Oh, this is so good. Y'all got to try this. Y'all can see I went straight for the salad first. Okay? Trying to be good. Listen. Without no struggle, I say this all the time. Without struggle, there is no success. Understand that. Because I guarantee you, if you look up any person who has ever made it far or ever made it big, has always had a struggle. They've always had people bring them down or tell them they can't do this. Listen, y'all take that and make that into an advantage. Your disadvantage, make it into an advantage. Okay? It's so good. I'm telling you. I know I'm just being greedy. I'm so hungry. Oh, let me show y'all real quick what this look like. Okay. Tip number 2. Motivate. You have to motivate yourself. Sometimes there's going to be those times where people are not going to be there in your corner to support you, you know, to guide you, to help you. You have to be able to motivate yourself. And what I mean is those days when nobody's behind you telling you, go, go, go. You got to be the one that's telling yourself to do it. Let me tell you. Because guess what? Ain't nobody gonna do it better than you. You know? For you. Nobody. Y'all. I love me some chicken, y'all. Let me tell you a quick little piece of story. It was one time I had rode in school. Maybe this can help you. And I was working full time and going to school. And for those of y'all that go to school right now and work full time, shout out to y'all. I was a mom, and you know, I had to motivate myself because I wanted to go somewhere. I wanted to be somebody. I know I am somebody, but I wanted to be somebody more than what I was. So I pushed myself. Step out of your comfort zone. If you want to upload a video, upload a video. If you listen, You are the only one that can stand in your own way. All right? Remember that. Remember that. I told y'all, I want me some chicken. Yes. There ain't gonna be no more meat on this bone. Tip number 3. Things to help you upload videos. I use
Kinemaster.
I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the description too.
Kinemaster.
Where you can download Apple or Android. Okay? And with that, you can make great editing videos. If you're wanting to get like green screens or wanting to add a video, let me know if you guys want me to do a video solely on
Kinemaster.
I'll do one for you. Because you know what? I know you're trying to come up like I'm trying to come up, and I ain't. Hey, sharing is caring. So, like I said, thumbnail. It's called thumbnail. I'll probably put it right about here. Okay. And what you can use that for is actually to create your thumbnails. So while your video is uploading to YouTube, you can go ahead and take a little snap picture of yourself and create a nice, funny, and great thumbnail. So you don't have to sit in front of the camera and do a thumbnail. But if that's what you like to do, hey, do it. I also use YouTube Studios. I got that right here too. That's an app that you can download. Okay. With that app that you download, you can keep track of all the comments, because you guys know, I don't know if you guys had the same issue, but I have this issue where sometimes I don't see all my comments that I get on YouTube itself. So I go over to YouTube Studios and I see some of the comments that I can't see, because guess what? I'm following all of you guys. That's right. I didn't click that bell on all of you guys. So I'm seeing tons and tons of videos, and every now and then I'll see, your comment. So download that app. That'll help you out. Okay? I need me a napkin. Tip number 4. Support. Support. And when I mean support, I mean that true support. All of you guys should see me on your pages. Commenting, liking, loving, and I truly mean all of those comments, because I sit there and watch your video. Why? Because I love to support. That's right. I'm all about that. Ooh, this chicken's so good. I I know y'all see me tearing this down. Okay. Truly support. When you guys are subbing for sub, or when you guys are doing anything in that sort, what y'all need to do is truly support that person. You know, let me tell you something. When you truly support somebody, that support is always gonna basically do a 360 and come right back at you. When you think people ain't supporting you, they supporting you. I know I am. So let's pay that thing forward. I'm gonna do that challenge. That's next video. Pay it forward. And tip number 5. Wait a minute. Ooh, so good. I ain't even touched my pizza yet. Okay. Tip number 5 is being consistent with your content. Being consistent. What do I mean by that? That doesn't mean every day you can upload or whatever case may be. We know you guys got families, husbands, and wives, and kids. I know I do. Listen. People understand. Just make sure that you upload at least 3 times in the week. If you want to grow. I try to at least upload 3 times in a week. Because people miss you. They miss seeing your face. Y'all done told the meat off of that thing. Okay. I ain't messing around. Nope. So y'all, those is my tips. Now I'm just basically gonna talk to you. Cause I ain't done eating. Okay. Listen. Y'all gotta try this dressing. It's real good. I'm talking about real good. This chicken too is good. Yes. I'm sorry, y'all. I was zonked into the food. Tell me, y'all put in the comment section, what's one of the challenges that y'all face on YouTube? And I'm gonna talk about it on my next video. I should have done the wing challenge. Me and chicken. Yeah. All right. So good. So, that's what I want y'all to do. I want y'all to comment down below. Make sure that you like, share, and also you guys subscribe and click that notification button. You know it's down there somewhere. Boop. Right there. Y'all can come with me to the dinner table. Y'all want to make a cake. I've been wanting some sweet things. Y'all give me a thumbs up. Y'all want to see a cake. I can make them things from scratch. This salad dressing is good. Okay, let me move this over to the side. I ain't need a little soda. Open this up right quick. So, listen. Don't stop being you. I check you guys out all the time, and you guys are amazing. I see makeup tutorials, to skits, to comedy. Live videos. Mukbangs and ASMRs. Y'all are amazing. Okay? So never stop being you. Because guess what? If it's within your spirit, do it. Do it. Because beyond that fear is where your blessing lies. Remember that. Woo. Y'all. I ain't even touched my pizza yet. Remember that. So, listen, I appreciate each one of you guys, and all I want to say is, with that, that's right. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay creative, stay in the spirit. And with that, y'all, I'm full. Whew. Lord. Yes, I'm full. But now with that, I will see y'all in the next video. All right? I'm out.